Hi everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. You might notice I'm in a different locale today. So what I thought I'd do is when I do my little program on my top 10 list, but you know it's 22 for me, I would change locations so you guys would know which location and what I'd be doing. So I hope you enjoy today's location in my family room. So today's list I've come up with, I really had fun with. It's called Nobody Told Me That After 50 dot dot dot. Okay, gals, here we go. Nobody told me that after 50 how much hair would be in my shower drain and in my hairbrush. Number 2, your eyes shrink from drooping eyelids. Number 3, you get to eat about half the calories as you did when you were 30. Number 4, you have nose hair. Really? Number 5, my neck is weird. You know those dreaded neck pictures, ladies, that everyone wants to remove from their phone? Number 6, you're talking with family members about what grandma had. When did she have gray hair? When did she have arthritis? Number 7, you forget what you wanted to find by the time you got upstairs. Number 8, footwear. When did that become so important? Ever tried to look for the right pair of shoes for a wedding? Comfort or fashion? Number 9, you know where every bathroom is on your walk and in the mall, etc. Number 10, your stomach is not cooperating the way it used to. Number 11, you have so many blue veins on your face, your hands, and your legs. Y'all, I thought I had a blue pen mark on my side of my face, and I realized it was a vein, not the pen. Number 12, it's so hard to hear in crowded places. Number 13, your elbows look like your old gym teachers did in the fourth grade. Number 14, you can't read the prices on things, the expiration dates, or your texts. Number 15, sleep. When did that become so important? Number 16, you walk by a window and you don't even recognize yourself. Number 17, your bed is your favorite place to be. Number 18, you have bat wings. Number 19, your friends begin conversations with, "Hey, I've had this problem with my back. Hey, have you guys ever had this thing going on?" Number 20, the kid at the checkout counter asks if you want your AARP discount. Yes, it really did happen to me. Number 21, the sun you worship once, you avoid like the plague. Number 22, the temperature. It's my obsession. I'll always ask, is the AC on? Is anybody hot? I had really a great time with you all today. If you like it, please follow me on my channel, Show Me Beautiful.